Handa naman po kami dahil expected na po yun. Lumabas na kasi sa pre-trial brief ng prosecution itong mga witnesses na ito. So tayo naman ay handa na as far as of course Agent Lotto and si Captain Bello. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, nandun na rin sila sa House Committee on Justice hearing. So we are prepared. Well, that is for the prosecution kasi sila ang nagtawag kay Attorney Zulaika. So we will just be there to see if we need to answer their questions. Attorney Zulaika once the prosecution is done with their director. We'll see if there's any personal process.
And you mentioned na alam na rin ni Bibi Sara na mapahawag si
Yes, yesterday, nung lumabas yung motion, nagtanong kami ng copy ng motion for issuance of subpoena, which included the name of Attorney Zulaika Lopez, or Yusek Lopez, we have informed the Vice President. And ano naman siya, as I told you earlier, yung reaction naman niya, wala naman siyang ganong reaction doon. Because I think everyone expected it naman.